this one. See, if you find some yellow leaf, we take some out, yeah? We peel them. So everything here natural grow. It looks skinny, not big fat like in the market, but the fragrance, the smell, the taste was so good. No pesticide and healthy.